Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about the different modes of our ventilator. So let's start the unit. So the power is on. It is running in battery mode. This is the pressure circuit. This is expiratory solenoid port. This is inspiratory port. This is the differential pressure sensor port, and this is the oxygen port. So we will be running the oxygen cylinder. So at first we need to give username and password. The default username and password is admin. So here is the first screen, which is actually the patient data information unit. So the patient name and other informations will be given here. Suppose we are giving a patient name as Rafi, and we will be assuming that he is a normal patient, a male patient. Patient age, height, weight, resistance, CMH2, compliance, everything will be given, and finally enter. So here is the user interface. So these are the different modes of the ventilator currently employed. So this is VCCMB mode, this is VCSIMB mode, PCCMB mode, PCSMB mode. From this first VCCMB mode, we will be given some input of P, suppose 36, EIP of 26, VTI of 484, respiratory rate of 15, and I ratio of 1:1.8. So we are saving this, and when we are starting the ventilation, started. So there is the rebreathing bag, which is getting the oxygenated air coming from this unit, and oxygen is coming from this cylinder through this input. Now we are stopping the unit. There are different types of data can be given, like P, and this knob is used for non-touch control. So if anyone wants to give an input without touching the display, of course this is a touch panel, 10.1 inch. So this can be used as alternative to touch unit. So this is P, EIP, FiO2, VTI, compliance, EI, EEF, P plateau, EIF, humidity, RAM, IE, RR, and VTE. So we can just shut down the unit from here. Thank you.